Okay, welcome to the final step, step 6. It's very short. It's called maintenance. And how do we maintain the time freedom formula? And the first thing you want to do is remember to make a date with yourself. Anytime you have something you want to do, you are no longer a victim to not having time to do it. You'll want to call it make a date because it sounds a lot more pleasant and it's something that will remind you to do it. So let's say, you know what, I really want to have a massage and I never have time for a massage. Then go into your week at a glance, or if you have the calendar, go and find a date, even if it's a month from now, and make a date with yourself and put it there. And now it's not there. Either make that actual date or put it on your purge list so you never forget about it. This is about work-life balance. So you notice I bring up a lot of personal things to put on your calendar because I have a feeling you're going to take care of all the work-related things and all the obligations that you have. But really, this is for everything. So as you start seeing things you want to do, wish you would do, just the way you would write a note somewhere else, go to your calendar and make a date with yourself. And call it that so that you don't feel like you don't take it on like a heavy task, but something that you're choosing to do. Again, you want to make sure that you visit your purge list regularly. You're going to add to it and you're going to subtract to it and maybe one day organize it. And guess what? Half of those things you'll probably never want to do now that they're out of your head. And that's okay. You could cross them out or you could highlight them so you don't forget them, but you'll know everything that's highlighted you're not up to doing right now, but you don't want to forget. You want to make sure that you acknowledge yourself for doing this or for attempting to do it, because this is a pretty big commitment to make to yourself. It seems simple, it is simple, but for some, it takes a lot to have this shift to go into an organizational mode. And you want to forgive yourself if you don't feel like doing it one day or don't feel like doing it at all. It's okay. You know, it's your life. And you get to do your life the way you want to do. So all you have to do is say, you know what, this isn't for me, or this isn't for me today. And if you don't do it today or tomorrow, guess what? Remember, this is a home base. This isn't a life sentence. And you can always go back and do it again if you want to start all over. And that's what I said here, starting over whenever needed. Whenever you feel that you've lost the momentum of your time freedom formula and your life doesn't feel like it's on task, or you're feeling overwhelmed, or you feel like you're not accomplishing as much as you did when you had your time freedom formula working it every day, then go ahead and start over whenever you need to. And feel proud of yourself, as I said. It's very important that you feel good about this. If you're not feeling good about it, then by all means, don't do it. This is not another thing you have to do. Have I said that enough? Okay, so we're done with our steps, but we do have our next chapter is review. So I'll see you over at review.